All right, guys. So I was over there cutting up the trees on the ground. Kai's hooting and hollering at me. What are you hooting and hollering?
About, because we have
A sinkhole?
we have a sinkhole in our backyard.
So I was like, yo, that's totally the sinkhole we had last year, right? Because he said, hey, it's the one right over there by the sled, right? Look right behind us. This is our first sinkhole that we found last year before we got a snow cover. And I was like, oh, you know, it's a little hole, it has some water. She says, no, I'm super, what are you concerned about?
I'm really concerned about because the one over here is way too dangerous.
Show me that thing.
This thing is way too dangerous.
It's too dangerous. It's pretty deep. Probably about 18 inches deep. Let's go in there, huh? You guys are going along for the ride. Best view in the house. So, it's pretty deep. Pretty dangerous, huh?
Yes, it's super dangerous. So we're gonna find some rocks and put them in there so nobody can get hurt.
Rocks and what else?
Wood.
Wood, maybe? Dirt?
Pretty much.
Dirt. We gotta fill that thing in, right?
Yep.
Are you gonna do it?
With my dad.
Now we got another project. There's always another one,
Yes.
but this one needs to happen soon, right? Because that little fat baby might fall in there.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't want to lose our fat baby down the hole. What do we say?
Bye-bye, and make sure you do not come to this house so you can get through that hole. It's very dangerous.
Don't come to our house. Don't fall in the hole. Don't try to do it. I know you people will try to do it. Okay?
Yeah.
What do we say? See you next time.
See you next time, and chicken fart out.
Chicken fart out. See you next time on Break Free Homestead. You're a nerd, dude.